So yan na yun guys, marami na oh. Ayan oh. So ito naman guys, pakita ko sa inyo, hot mixers inspired Team USA na jersey no. Ayan. So naglaro kami dito sa Sitio Silao Bato. Ayan. Apat yata kami nagpagawa nito, tapos sa liga dalawa lang kami ni Marvin Amulo. So ito naman yung ano niya, yung actual na laro.
Pasto Amulo, Pasto Siga, ikuha ni Susun, Siga, 2 points by Siga, 2 against 0.
Clears.
Number 15, dribbling the ball. Pass to the clan. Pass to Girong, Romera. Wala. Ikuha lamang yan ni Girong. Pass to number 15. Romera. Wala. Rebound by Susin. Oops, there's a foul. 0-4. Kiro Gawon, gulig na lang Gawon, 2 balls by Migulos. Marge, dribbling the ball, pass to Daklan, oh, there's a whistle, foul number 11, Tala. 6 against 4 in favor of Agna. 2 points by Sia, Sigandro. Oh, there's a foul. Last of the Sigan. Counted to.
Dira mau niya. Dira mau mas Paul. Ayun si Paul. Dira katabi to.
Bonus throw. Score lagi hapon. 9 against 6. 13 seconds. Time remaining. 12, 11, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 5 seconds time remaining. Green board ay. Running time niya, basi matinga mo. Mundala. Ikuha ni Migulos. Largo, paso Siga. Siga, 2 points by Siga. Harbaugh. 21, paso 20, Migulos connection. 23. Score, 2 points by number 23. Up to sa whistle, stepping on the line. Wala. Ikuha ni Siga. Pass to Migulos. 2 points by Migulos.